Alright people, my name is Marijn and I just bought some watermelon drink, which I'm going to enjoy. It will make me burp I guess, but yeah, if you don't like it, just click away the video. It's just, if you like it, just keep watching because they will be big. They will really be big. Okay, there we go. Let's just open it. Oh, it's carbonated. Let's just drink it now. Check de weersverwachting zonder verwachting. Die stromen blijven komen. Ze blijven mijn gedachten overstromen. Oh, already spilling it? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's carbonated. Let's just enjoy it because, oh my god. So I drank like half of it. That will be alright. Wait, let me just put this on here. Come on, man. So that's about alright. And now let's just wait a little while. Oh man, I feel one coming up. I feel one coming up. Weak. Let's drink some more. Finished it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh my good lord. We'll be burping in a few seconds, I guess. Seconds. Yeah. Oh man. These burps come up. Come right up. Just go in my throat and let me burp them out. Let me just burp. Let me just burp. Let me just burp. 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 Just having some fun. Okay, there's one coming up, I guess. Are you ready for it? I can count from 10 to 1. 0. That was it. There's more. Oh my god. Zeker niet bevroren. Ik laat de storm tegen me keren, zodat ik me kan verweren. Check de weersverwachting zonder verwachting. Die stromen blijven komen. Ze blijven mijn gedachten overstromen. Maar bedenk me oprecht. Wat doen we tegen onrecht? Je hebt kromme en rechte regels.